Need to log in to your AOL mail account or create a new one. Most people type their password wrong and get locked out. Subscribe now and learn both methods. Launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Type AOL.com into the address bar and press Enter to reach the AOL homepage. Click the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username, email address, or mobile phone number associated with your account. Then click Next. Type in your account password and select Next to access your inbox. If AOL asks for verification, enter your mobile number, get the code, and type it in. This step is very important to complete your login. Want to create a new AOL account instead? Go back to the AOL homepage and click Sign Up. Follow the on-screen instructions to register with your name, birthday, and a new password. You are now logged into AOL or have created a new account. Hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and comment login below so I know this worked. Next video, I will show you how to recover a lost AOL password without a phone number.
Subscribe now.